Please start your presentation.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. A very good evening to all. I hope everyone is doing fantastic in this wonderful evening. I feel honored to be here in front of you. Would like to thank my teacher for this great opportunity to say something about family. This is Salman Tal. I will share something about the family I live in. First, family means a group of people that love and support one another. On the other hand, family is the bond where the life begins and love never ends. There are two types of family found in our society. One is extended or large family, and the other nuclear or small family. In an extended family, people live with their parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and nephews. A nuclear family, the husband and wife with their children live in a nuclear family. That is me, my husband, and with our children. Nowadays, nuclear family is getting popularity of day by day for various reasons, such as more freedom and privacy, individual focus on individual achievement, concepts of individual happiness in health system with the regard happiness, with the regard to rights of property. So they prefer to nuclear family. Some advantages of nuclear family these are nuclear family plays an important role in the development of the personality of individual. Child should grow up in a suitable environment. Peace of harmony, more independence for women. And some disadvantages of nuclear family these are a nuclear family members feel lonely as all of them are busy with their own work. They cannot share their feelings. The feelings of safety and security is lacking among the members of nuclear family. It makes people feel separate. I think the society is following right way because it is the needs of modern life to form nuclear family because life has become very busy and competitive now. To all listening for me with patience.
Thank you so much. You have given a very good presentation. You have to go through this way. It was a very wonderful presentation. Thank you. You have added so many words as well as you have shared your own experience from your real life. That is the good things for being a professional speaker. Okay, next on Saiful Islam. Sabbir Mullah. Nilufa Sajjad.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Nilufa. Before you, I would like to say something about the family I live in. There are two types of family found in our country. One is extended or joint family, and the other is nuclear or small family. I live in a nuclear family. A nuclear family consists of two parents and their children living together as a single unit. This structure emphasizes personal independence, economic autonomy, and mobility, allowing members to relocate more freely for job opportunities or personal reasons. In a nuclear family, decision making is typically limited to the parents, and there is a higher degree of privacy with intervention from extended relatives. Conversely, a joint family includes multiple generations living under one roof, such as grandparents, parents, children, and sometimes aunts, uncles, and cousins. This setup focuses on collectivism, shared resources, and mutual support. In a joint family, financial responsibilities and resources are pulled together, offering support systems for child care, elder care, and other needs. Decision making in joint families is often collective, involving various family members, which can sometimes lead to less privacy. The primary difference between these family structures lie in their size, level of independence, decision-making procession, privacy, economic dynamics, and socialization methods. While nuclear families foster independence and privacy, joint families provide a strong support network and share responsibilities. Thank you, everybody, for listening to my words.
Thank you. You have also given a very wonderful presentation. Shahana Farhan. Jaber Shikdar.
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening to all of you, sir. Hope you all are fine. Thank you so much for giving me such an opportunity to tell something about the family I live in. I'm Javish Sikdar in front of you. Live in nuclear family, where I live with my parents, brother's family, and my family. I think it's nuclear family for me, but it's extended family for our child. Nuclear family is getting popularity day by day due to it maintained by low cost to confirm education for everyone. Also, everyone can be treated, and so on. There are many advantages of fine nuclear family, like it make member of family more responsible, provide more privacy, less financial need, less quarrel, avoid stress in discomfort. Don't deal with problem. It has so disadvantages. Nuclear family is more likely to become isolated from extended family member. I cannot grow up mentally, cannot communicate each other easily, like a extended family member. Think is an situation on one hand, it seems right. On the other hand, does not seem right. Thank you so for patient hearing.
Okay, thank you. But আপনার প্রোনাউন্সিয়েশনে অনেক প্রবলেম আছে এবং পার্ট অফ স্পিচকে সঠিকভাবে বসাতে হবে সেন্টেন্সের গতকালের থেকে আজকে আপনি গত দিন যে প্রেজেন্টেশনটা দিয়েছিলেন তার থেকে আজকেরটা মোটামুটি ভার্ব গুলো অনেক মানে কারেক্ট ভাবে লিখতে পারছেন বাট সেন্টেন্স গুলো অনেক দুর্বল। হ্যাঁ, এই পার্ট অফ স্পিচ ভালোভাবে বুঝতে হবে এবং চয়েস অফ ওয়ার্ড এর যে জায়গাটা এই জায়গাটাকে ডেভেলপ করতে হবে। আমি দেখাবো, সমস্যা নেই, এই যেভাবে দিচ্ছেন এইভাবেই দিতে থাকেন। হ্যাঁ, প্রেজেন্টেশন দিবেন প্রতিদিন, অনেক ভালো হয়েছে, ধন্যবাদ।
স্বাধীন কথা বলতে গেলে অ্যানিমেট করে যেতে বলতে শুনতে পারলে আপনি
হ্যাঁ, এবার বলেন, শুরু করেন।
would like to say something about the family. Have been living a joint family for 10 years. Joint family has more disadvantages than advantages. 15 members will living together. Small families are more than popular big family in our society. Big family costs are very expensive. Big family are always problem. A joint family cannot manage a little time for themselves. Opinion of everyone in the big family should always follow. Not go anywhere with husband. Only only child rearing only child rearing benefits large family. Can always be looked after by their uncle, aunts, and grandparents. Parents can play with cousins. Not giving proper time for children in large family. All in all, I like nuclear family. My opinion, society is the right direction. Nuclear family is my ideal family. Parents want every parents want to with their child. Father-in-law and mother-in-law must be accompanied. However, few brothers stay together with their families, but is also has many problems and very problems and very expensive. Clear family is good for society in almost all aspects.
আপনার সেন্টেন্সে অনেক সমস্যা, প্রিপজিশনের ব্যবহার জানেন না আপনি, সাবজেক্ট ঠিক নেই, ভার্ব ঠিক নেই। আপনি যে লেখাটা লিখছেন এটা আমার কাছে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে হিসেব ইনবক্সে পাঠাই দিয়েন আমার, আমি সংশোধন করে দিব, দেখাই দিব কিভাবে সঠিকভাবে লিখতে হয়। ঠিক আছে? সাবজেক্ট, ভার্ব, অবজেক্ট, প্রিপজিশন সবকিছুরই ভুল আমার কাছে লাগে। যেটা লিখছেন এটা পাঠিয়ে দিয়ে
একটা সমস্যা হচ্ছে আমার সাবজেক্টটা আমি কিভাবে নিব এটা আর বুঝতে পারি না। টেক্সট লিখে যে সাবজেক্টটা আমি কিভাবে নিব এটা বুঝতে পারি না।
আমি বুঝাই দিব।
এই লেখাটা আমি জাস্ট একটা সাবজেক্ট নিয়ে নিয়ে করছি, আমি নিজে নিজে করতে পারিনি।
এই জন্য তো এই অবস্থা। আমাকে পাঠাই দিয়েন, আমি দেখাই দিব। হ্যাঁ, এই স্ক্রিপ্টটা একটা ছবি তুলে বা টাইপ করা থাকলে সেইভাবে আমাকে পাঠাই দিন, আমি সংশোধন করে দিব। উজ্জ্বল মজুমদার।
Sir,
হ্যাঁ বলেন।
I would like to say something about extended and large family. There are two types of family found in our society. Is extended family, other is nuclear family. Live in parents, uncle, in grandfather, etc. Nuclear family live with parents with their children. Live with in a nuclear family, my parents. I prefer nuclear family. But some advantage of nuclear family are is no noise in confusion, then grow up uh, well or goodly. The cost of family very low. There are some disadvantages also. Cannot share their feelings with others. They cannot help others. They spend their time alone or lonely. Extended family, there are some advantages also. Extended family, they can spend their time with others. Can with others, cannot or must. Disadvantage of extended family, which are problem, are also family cost is very expensive for society taken good decision. For society to prefer their family. Sir.
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। মোবারক হোসেন।
Walaikum sir. Assalamualaikum. Good evening, everybody. Hope you are all well, pretty well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Really glad to share my feelings. Like to say something about the family I live in. There are mainly two types of families, nuclear family and the extended family. Nuclear family is a small family consisting of husband and wife and their children. Extended family is a big family that consists not only of parents and children, but also of grandfather, aunt, uncle, cousin, nephew, and niece. Both live in an extended and nuclear family. Bachelor, I live in alone. Don't have grandfather, my father, my mother, they are no more. Five siblings, they are all married. They are living in separate places and long distance from me. I like extended family. Context of living in an extended family can also provide practical, emotional, and financial support. Extended family members can play a role in promoting child development, moderating neighborhood effect, and reducing penalizing behavior in children. Extended family living and maintained a cultural tradition and provide a support system for individual families. Present, most people are fond of forming a nuclear family. A nuclear family is supposed to be less troublesome. Extended family is supposed to be noisier. This so that more troublesome situation take place in an extended family. Today, living extents are improving. So people do not like to form an extended family. Nuclear family children can go food and education. The nuclear family may also have some disadvantage. Then in a nuclear family may feel lonely alone and because there are not many members of a nuclear family. Children in an extended family do not feel lonely as they always get opinion. There are some married and demarried in both the nuclear family and extended family. So about me, thank you for staying with me.
Thank you. বলেন তো, why people are choosing nuclear family day by day? এর কারণ কি বলতে পারেন? হুম, মোবারক হোসেন
স্যার
বলতে পারেন?
প্রশ্নটা একবার করুন।
Why people are choosing nuclear family in this present time? What are the reason?
বলতে পারতেছি না স্যার।
বলতে পারতেছেন না, তাহলে আপনি লিখলেন কেন? আপনি যেটা পারেন না, আপনি যেটা দেখে উচ্চারণ করতে পারেন না, তেমন জিনিস কেন লিখবেন? আমি একটা কথা আপনাদের বারবার বলে দেই, নেট থেকে নিয়ে, বই থেকে নিয়ে, গুগল থেকে নিয়ে লিখে কোনো লাভ হবে না। এই যে আপনি প্রেজেন্টেশন দিলেন, এর কোনো মানে হবে? এর কোনো মানে আছে? আপনি তো ছোট মানুষ না, আপনি তো বোঝেন আপনার ডেভেলপমেন্ট কিভাবে আসবে। আমার সামনে ভালো করে প্রেজেন্ট করতে হবে, এটা তো মেইন থিংস না। আপনাকে ডেভেলপ করতে হবে, আপনাকে কথা বলতে হবে। আমার সামনে তো কোনো কিছু শো আপ করতে হবে না। আপনি যে ওয়ার্ড গুলো বললেন, এই ওয়ার্ড গুলো তো আপনি নিজেই উচ্চারণ করতে পারেন না, তাহলে কেন এগুলো আপনি ব্যবহার করবেন? আপনি চারটা সেন্টেন্স লেখেন, সেই চারটা সেন্টেন্স না দেখে বলার চেষ্টা করেন, আয়নার দিকে তাকাই বলেন, সেই চারটা সেন্টেন্সে আমার সামনে প্রেজেন্ট করেন, সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স লেখেন। এত কমপ্লেক্স কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্স আপনি কেন লিখবেন? কি দরকার? যেটা আপনি নিজেই পড়তে পারেন না, যার অর্থ আপনি নিজেই জানেন না, যার মিনিং আপনি নিজেই বোঝেন না, এগুলো কখনোই করবেন না আর। নিজের মতো করে লিখবেন, আপনার মনে যা আসে, আমি যে টপিকটা দেই সেটা পড়বেন, পড়ার পরে আপনার মনে যা আসে সেইটা লিখবেন। বেশি দরকার নেই, 4টা লাইন লেখেন, না পারলে 3টা লাইন লেখেন, 5টা লাইন লেখেন, তার বেশি দরকার নেই, সেইটাই আপনি প্রেজেন্ট করেন। বাট সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স লিখবেন, যেটা যেন আপনি না দেখে বলতে পারেন। জাস্ট একটা ডেফিনেশন দিন যে এক্সটেন্ডেড ফ্যামিলি ইজ আ ফ্যামিলি হোয়ার পিপল লিভ উইথ many members. Nuclear family is a family where husband and wife live with their children. শেষ। People are choosing nuclear family because we know that the cost of extended family are very high in this present time, as well as children do not get their suitable environment from extended family, as well as we cannot concentrate our mind in the work or study. For that reason, people are choosing nuclear family day by day. আরো কি বলা যায় যে it is the need of this present time because every members are busy in their own work. For that reason, they are choosing nuclear family. এই যে কথাগুলো আমি বলছি, এই কথাগুলো আমি বলা খুব কঠিন না, খুবই সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স, খুবই সহজে বলা যায়। নিজের মতো করে করার চেষ্টা করবেন। বুঝতে পারছেন কি বললাম? এই নেট থেকে আর লিখবেন না, নেট থেকে কোনো বই থেকে আমার সামনে ভালো পারফরমেন্স করে কোনো লাভ হবে না তো। আপনি নিজে যদি না পড়তে পারেন, নিজে যদি উচ্চারণ করতে না পারেন, সুন্দরভাবে দেখায় কোনো লাভ হবে না। নিজের মতো করে লিখতে হবে, আপনার কথাগুলো যেন বোঝা যায় যে আপনি স্পিকিং করছেন। রিয়েলিস্টিক হতে হবে, এরকম রিডিং পড়ে গেলে হবে না। এরপর বলেন সানাউল্লাহ।
Assalamu alaikum and good evening. One, first of all, I would like to thanks to our honorable teacher Sohag sir for giving me a floor to say something about today's topics. Well, you know, today's topic is the family I live in. There are types of family found in our society. One is extended, that means large family, and another one is nuclear, that means small family. I prefer most a small family, so I live in nuclear family because from my childhood, from my student life, I used to love to live in the city. A nuclear family is typically for two adults. That means husband and wife, and they are dependent children, prevalent in industrial societies. Nowadays, nuclear family is getting popularity day by day in our society for various reasons. People want to live in cities because cities provides lots of source of income. The members of a small family enjoy some or advantages, can lead their lives where there is no noise, no confusion, no disgusting situation. They get much time to concentrate their own work, then grow up in a suitable atmosphere. But it has some demerits also. Members of nuclear family feel lonely as all of them are busy with their own work, cannot share their feelings or problems or any kind of difficulties with others. So it makes people self-centered. Present life has become very busy and competitive. So in conclusion, I would like to I would like to in my conclusion, I would like to say that nuclear family is more appropriate to lead the life happily. Thank you very much for hearing me with the patience.
Okay, thank you. You have given a very good presentation. Papia Borua.
Good evening, everybody. And thank you, my honorable teacher. I am really glad to share my feelings. I will try to say something about the family I live in. There are two types of family found in our society. Is extended or large family, and the other is nuclear or small family. An extended family, people live with their parents, grandparents, uncles, aunties, and cousins. Husbands and wives will live with their children in a nuclear family. Even a nuclear family, there are two members in my family and my husband. Whereas nuclear family is getting popularity in our society for various reasons. Size of the nuclear family setup can be attitude to various factors such as increasing urbanization, security of living space in big cities, independence and autonomy, privacy, flexibility, external bonds, organization, career and education, or conflict. Having a small family has been advantages. Some of those advantages include as there are no other elderly members in the family. Parents can take important decisions in the life of the child. Main income is not shared like in a joint family. Have full freedom to make your own decisions. A small family, you can study as far as you want. Nuclear family career is emphasized the most. Advantage of living in a nuclear family, problems with work-life balance. Security feel for you and old age. In a nuclear family, widowed or old people will feel insecure since they won't have an emotional or financial support. Economic back, children's security. I think a small families have advantages as well as disadvantages. Society is not following in the right direction. Small families are born out of a self-concentrated attitude. Although it means goal to live a better life, it has increased social degradation. Close family is also important for family support in later life. Maintaining an extended family requires human mentality. Family and institutional education is necessary to become a good person. Thank you all my listening to my lecture. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Mahamudul Hassan Shihab.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Shirin in front of you. Thank you, my honorable teacher, for giving me an opportunity to say something about the family I live in. There are really two kinds of family found in our society. One is extended or large family, and the other is nuclear or small family. A nuclear family is such a family that consists of a husband and a wife and their children. On the other hand, an extended family means such kind of family that consists of parents, their children, aunts, uncles, and parents, cousins, and all living in the household. For this reason, an extended family is called a large family. স্যার শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
হ্যাঁ, শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
I live in an extended family. Before my marriage, I lived in an extended family. There were 16 members in our family. There were 10 cousins in our family. I and my 3 cousins went to the same school together. In the afternoon, we played various kinds of games together. And when it was evening, we sat to read in the same table. When we faced any problem, another cousin solved that. I missed those days very hardly. Sometimes my grandparents us historical and cultural story. Even I am married in a joint family. There are also 10 members in my family. In my family members are very cooperative. They are helpful. When one of my family members fall in a danger, others help him. It is absolutely true that the family members in my family do not usually suffer from loneliness. Our family of 4 earners, social problems rarely arise. Children of our family live a happy and beautiful life. I also happy with my family. That's all. Thank you, sir.
I also happy হয় না, I am happy with my family. আর এই যে আপনি অতীতে যে বিষয়গুলো ইউজ করলেন, আপনি বললেন যে উই ওয়েন্ট টু স্কুল টুগেদার, হ্যাঁ, সো এখানে ওয়েন্ট
Yes, sir.
মানে আমরা গিয়েছিলাম হয়, হ্যাঁ, আমরা যেতাম, আপনি বলতে চাচ্ছেন কি আমরা যেতাম, তো
যেতাম,
উই
yes, sir.
ইউজ টু গো, হ্যাঁ, এরকম ইউজ
Used
এই
to হবে,
এই
তাই না?
ভার্বটা ব্যবহার করতে হয়। উই ইউজ টু প্লে, আমরা একসাথে খেলতাম, হ্যাঁ,
Yes, sir.
we used to go, used to play, এইগুলোর ব্যবহার করতে হয়, পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স না, হ্যাঁ, যেহেতু অতীতের কোনো অভ্যাসগত কাজ, অতীতে কোনো একটা কাজ রেগুলার হইতে করতেন, এই ধরনের স্ট্যান্সে ইউজ করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে।
Yes, sir.
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ, অনেক ভালো হয়েছে আপনারটাও, এভাবেই কথা বলবেন।
Yes, sir. Thank you.
কুমকুম, আনমিউট করেন কুমকুম। আফসানা মিম,
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everybody. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. I would like to say something about the family I live in. Family is the most important part of a human's life. Person is incomplete without the complete family. It plays an essential role in society. As the saying goes, family is the best thing you could ever wish for. They are there for you during the sundowns and love you no matter what. Family develop us into becoming a complete person with an individual identity. They gives us a sense of security and a safe environment to flourishing. So that there are 2 types of family found in our society. A family group that consists only of parents and their children is called a nuclear family. On the other hand, a family which extends beyond the nuclear family to include grandparents and sometimes other relatives, also called an extended family. My family consists of 2 siblings and my parents in a nuclear family. My family has been always by my side in ups and downs. They have taught me how to be a better person. My mother is my strength as I can always count on her when I need a shoulder to cry on. She believes in me more than any other person. The members of a nuclear family enjoy some advantage. They lead a life where there is no noise or tuition. They get much time to concentrate on their own work. On the other hand, it has some disadvantages. In nuclear family, people feel lonely. They cannot share their feelings with each other. I feel very lucky to be born in a family which has made me a better person. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. You have given also a very good presentation. You have used so many simple sentences and it is good side for being a professional English speaker. You took your subject and verb correctly in all the sentences. Ananda Chandra Singh.
Namaskar everyone and good evening. I would like to say something given topic, and the given topic is the family identity. Really, we can see 2 types of family in our society: is extended or large family, and other is small. within an extended family. Extended family is a family where people live with their parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. We usually find extended family more and more in our village. It has a good number of advantages. Members of extended family don't feel lonely because they can share emotion or something others with other members. So making decision arise topics of the family. Everybody can share their opinion. It's also a suitable area. Child socialization. In a big family, any task, any work is easily done because all the members. Some demerits also have in a large family. Sometimes members quarrel among themselves, fulfill the basic need of the members. Huge number, a huge amount of cost is spent. But despite having this disadvantage, extended family, extended family is more suitable for modern time. That's all for.
So what kinds of family do you like?
I like to prefer extended family.
Okay, that's good. Ibrahim Sharkar.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I couldn't attend previous class, so that's why I want to present about previous topic, sir. Today I couldn't prepare today's topic.
Okay, বলেন শুরু করুন.
The previous topic was how can we maintain a good first of all, health is a complete physical and mental well-being. Good health is needed for healthy and beautiful life because we can't live normally without good health. We get affected by various diseases easily. We can maintain good health if we live healthy, so that we will maintain some rules and regulations. Properly following these rules can lead a healthy and a beautiful normal life. Body and soul is activated if there is a good health. It is possible to give full attention to all tasks. Especially a student can perform all types of activities beautifully, including study, by maintaining good health. Now, let's talk about food choices. Food must will be eaten timely. There three meals should be taken daily at fixed times. In case of food selection, a balanced diet should be selected. A balanced diet doesn't mean expensive diet. Expensive diet, cheap food can be very nutritious too. In case of food selection, must be kept proper knowledge about nutritional value. In food list should be kept nutritious in enough quantity like fresh vegetable, fruits, egg, milk, meat, etc. Excessive fat food is very dangerous for our health, especially outside food, fried food, etc. Have a harmful effect on our health. these food must be avoided to maintain good health. I think a simple and carefree life is a conducive to good health. Now let's discuss what should be done to maintain good health. You have to get up early in the morning. In this case, a Muslim can be prayed Fajr Salah. Even praying Salah 5 times in a day is affected very much to maintain good health. Cold air of morning is very beneficial for good health. In this time, can be performed physical exercise. Physical exercise plays an important role in case of maintain good health. But must be done beautifully with soap every day. Clean cloth has to be one. Clean clothes to one. Hand has to be washed properly before taking food and after using toilet. It is necessary to have a good health of mind beside good health of body. Participating in games can be done in the afternoon for taking good health of mind and body. Body and mind both will be being fine. Will be being fine doing participation in game in the afternoon. Besides that, it should be kept management of enough recreation. Must be gone early to bed at night because going to bed and waking up late has harmful effect on health. Uh, in this way, we can keep our good health. And that's it. Thank you, sir.
এত প্যাসিভ ভয়েসের ব্যবহার করেন কেন? প্যাসিভ ভয়েস ব্যবহার করতে বলছিলাম আমি? স্পিকিং এ কখনো প্যাসিভ ব্যবহার করতে হয় না, যত বেশি পারা যায় অ্যাক্টিভ ব্যবহার করে বলতে হয়। আপনি জিনিসটাকে কঠিন করে ফেলছেন, এভাবে করলে মার্ক হয় না। আইএলটিএস এর এক্সামে এরকম স্পিকিং এ মার্ক দেয় না, অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েসে কথা বলতে হয়। আর কেউ আছেন কথা বলতে পারবেন? বলেন।
Assalamu alaikum. This is Habibullah Bipodiu. First of all, I would like to respect my honorable teacher Shohat sir because he shown us the real and practical way for learning English. Now, I am going to start my presentation. I am going to start my presentation on a selected topic. The topic is a family I live in. First of all, we have to know what's family. According to HRSA, family is a group of two or more persons related by birth, marriage, or adoption who live together. All such related persons are considered as members of one family. We know that our society carries two types of family. Number one, extended family. Number two, nuclear families. In joint family, people live with their members, such as brother, sister, uncle, parents, etc. And in small family, only husband and wife live with their children. In extended family has many advantages. In joint family, a man can share their sorrow and joy with others. And a man can many advice from their parents. There is always someone to help, but it has also some disadvantages, such as this type of family does not provide a man enough privacy and freedom. As well as A nuclear family has many disadvantages and advantages, such as it provides a man freedom and privacy, and that children can live in suitable environment. And the disadvantage side is there is no one for teaching the children.
ওকে, ঠিক আছে, ধন্যবাদ। হয়েছে, ভালো হয়েছে, পারবেন, এভাবে কথা বললেই পারবেন। এরপর আর কে আছে?
স্যার আমি কিছু বলবো?
হ্যাঁ, বলেন।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all of you. I am Rabia Khatun. I am expressed some speech before you about extended and nuclear family. An extended family consists of adults from multiple generations of a family. They are living under one roof. This is completely different to a nuclear family, which consists of two parents who live in a household with their children. At the present time, we stay in a nuclear family for my job, but have extended family very much because I have come from joint family. It has many opportunities and advantages. In extended family, the children learn morality and get or achieve more experience from their grandparents or uncle aunties. They learn to share things with each other. This family. Yes, I know. And extended families has some issue, but that is not a big deal. A nuclear family's children cannot learn this properly. Most of the time, children learn to selfish and introvert in nuclear family. They cannot share their problems about their life with anyone. For this reason, they suffer in various complications. In nuclear families, parents cannot take care of their children properly. They depend on a maid because they are busy with their jobs. On the other hand, in extended families, members are almost sincere for each other. They look after each other. They enjoy their food together at time. The children learn etiquette from their elders in the joint family. But this time, everybody wants to stay separation and distance from each other. I think the whole world became selfish. Thank you.
বিকেম না, বিকেম হয় কখনো? বিকেম কি?
I think the whole world became মানে selfish হয়ে গেছে আর কি। মানে গোটা পৃথিবীর মানুষ স্বার্থপর হয়ে গেছে, এটা বোঝাতে চেয়েছি। যদি ভুল হয় সংশোধন প্লিজ।
সাবজেক্ট ভার্ব অবজেক্ট সাজানো হয় না, এগুলো সঠিকভাবে সাজাতে হবে। পার্ট অফ স্পিচের সঠিক ব্যবহার জানতে হবে। এই প্রেজেন্টেশনটা আমার কাছে পাঠিয়ে দিন, আমি সংশোধন করে দিব। তো যাই হোক, আপনাদের এখন তো মেম্বার্স বাড়ছে, আগের থেকেও কিছু মানুষ, বেশি মানুষ প্রেজেন্টেশন দিচ্ছেন। আপনারা টাইম চলে যাচ্ছে অনেক এখানে। রাত 10টায় ক্লাস করতে হবে। আমি যাদের স্পিকিং নেই বা প্রেজেন্টেশন নেই রাত 10টায় নিয়ে থাকি, না হলে এরপরে আমার আবার ব্যাচ থাকে। এই জন্য এই টাইমে এটা নিলে শেষ করা যায় না, আমার পড়ানোর সময় থাকে না। আর রাত 10টায় নিলে হয় কি, যতক্ষণ করে প্রেজেন্টেশন দিই সেটা নেওয়ার পরে আমি নিজেও পড়াতে পারি। ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ক্লাবের প্র্যাকটিসও ওই রাত 10টা থেকেই হয়, রাত 10টাতে। আর এমনি আমি যে প্রেজেন্টেশন গুলো নিয়ে থাকি রাত 10টাতে নিয়ে থাকি সবসময়, কারণ এই যে আপনাদের এতদিন ঠিক ছিল, আর এখন দেখছে 2-1 করে বাড়ছে, কথা বলছে মানুষ। তো এই কথা বলতে হবে, কথা বলাটা চালিয়ে যেতে হবে, এটা কন্টিনিউ করতে হবে। তাহলে দ্রুত আপনি এই ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটাকে ডেভেলপ করতে পারবেন, এই হচ্ছে মেইন কথা। যারা কথা বলেন না তাদের কি অবস্থা? কথা না বললে, শুনে গেলে শুধু শুনে যেতেই হবে, কখনো শিখতে পারবেন না, ভালোভাবে নিতে পারবেন না। এই ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে এই জায়গাগুলো যারা একবার কথা বলা শুরু করবেন তারা বারবার বলতে চাইবেন, কনফিডেন্ট পাবেন নিজের ভিতরে। বাট কথা না বললে কোনো দিনও বলতে পারবেন না, কখনো ভালোভাবে এগোতে পারবেন না।
স্যার আমি বলবো।
এখন আর সময় নেই, আগামীকাল বলবো। তাহলে দেখেন, আমি আপনাদের কয়েকটা টপিকের উপর প্রেজেন্টেশন করিয়েছি। আপনাদের নেক্সট টপিকটা এইটার উপর থাকবে, ইম্পর্টেন্স অফ রিডিং নিউজ পেপার, অর্থাৎ খবরের কাগজ পড়ার যে গুরুত্ব বা প্রয়োজনীয়তা। এখানে কিছু কোশ্চেন আছে, এই কোশ্চেন গুলোর এগেইনস্টে নিজের মতো করে একটা অ্যান্সার আপনি দিবেন। আমি নেক্সট ক্লাসে আপনাদের এইগুলোর সঙ্গে আমি স্পোকেন রুলস এন্ড স্ট্রাকচার প্র্যাকটিস করাবো। আমি আরেকটা বিষয় আমি আপনাদেরকে দিয়ে দিব, সেটা করাবো। তো এটা আমি একটু বলি, খেয়াল করেন। দেখেন এখানে লেখা আছে, রিডিং নিউজ পেপার ইজ আ গুড হ্যাবিট which provides us to know a lot of essential things of home and abroad. Home and abroad মানে দেশ এবং বিদেশ। বলছে রিডিং নিউজ পেপার, খবরের কাগজ পড়া একটা ভালো অভ্যাস যেটি আমাদেরকে প্রদান করে, which provide us to know, জানতে কি, a lot of essential things of home and abroad. People read them for both pleasure and information. মানুষ এদেরকে পড়ে, অর্থাৎ খবরের কাগজ পড়ে আনন্দ এবং তথ্য দুটোর জন্য। এবার দেখেন কারা মূলত খবরের কাগজ পড়ে। এই দেখেন কোশ্চেনটা হচ্ছে এরকম যে, হাউ, দেখেন, হোয়াট ডু উই নো বাই রিডিং নিউজ পেপার, হোয়াই ডু পিপল রিড নিউজ পেপার, হাউ ডাজ নিউজ পেপার হেল্প দ্য পিপল অফ ডিফারেন্ট স্ট্রাটা, কিভাবে নিউজ পেপার বিভিন্ন জায়গা থেকে মানুষকে মানে বিভিন্ন পজিশন বা বিভিন্ন স্ট্রাটা মানে ভিন্ন ভিন্ন পজিশনের মানুষকে নিউজ পেপার কিভাবে সাহায্য করে। তো সেটা এখানে বলছে, দেখেন, a politician can learn about political situation, an economist and a businessman can be aware of the economy and business, people interested in sports and games can learn about the sports world. Students can also learn many things from the pages of newspapers that fulfill their thirst for knowledge. The film fans go through the cinema page to get the thrill of the showbiz world. From the advertisement club, the job seekers and traders get useful hints and details. প্রত্যেকটা সেন্টেন্স এখানে প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স মেইনটেইন করে লেখা। In fact, by reading newspaper, we can be up to date and we need it in order to face the competitive changing world. However, sometimes a newspaper misleads people. Some of the newspapers publish news supporting political parties. Sometimes they write column to gain benefits from the ruling party. For this, misunderstanding takes place and many unexpected incidents happen. So we can say that though a newspaper has some disadvantages, it has a lot of advantages too. On the whole, newspaper reading is a very good habit. In order to keep ourselves up to date with news and views, we should read newspaper. দেখেন, কথা বলা বা টপিকের উপর প্রেজেন্টেশন দেওয়া কঠিন না। এই যে আমি একবার পড়লাম না এটা, এবার আপনি কিভাবে এটার উপর কথা বলবেন। আমরা নিজেরা সেন্টেন্সকে কমপ্লেক্স করে ফেলি, অনেক জটিল করে ফেলি, কঠিন করে ফেলি। আমরা বিষয়টা সহজভাবে নিতে পারি না, সহজভাবে নেওয়ার চেষ্টা করতে হবে। দেখেন, আমি কিন্তু ঢেকে রাখছি, আমি এবার এই কোশ্চেন গুলোর এগেইনস্টে আমি উত্তর দিব। প্রথম কোশ্চেনটা কি, যে হোয়াট ডু উই নো বাই রিডিং নিউজ পেপার, So I can say that reading newspaper is a good habit. By reading newspaper, people can get different kinds of news from home and abroad. Then why do people read newspaper? People read newspaper. People যেভাবে কোশ্চেন থাকে সেভাবে উত্তর দিতে হয়। Why do people? তাহলে people read, মানুষ পড়ে newspaper to get different kinds of knowledges, as well as they read newspaper both pleasure and information. They read newspaper for different kinds of knowledges, as well as they read newspaper both কি বললাম pleasure and information. দ্বিতীয় কোশ্চেনের অ্যান্সারও শেষ। How does newspaper helps the people of different strata? Newspaper helps the people of different strata in different ways. For example, a politician, সাবজেক্টটা বলছেন, সেন্টেন্স গুলো কিভাবে বলছি কথাটা বলছেন। For example, a politician can know about the political situation of a country by reading newspaper. A politician can know, subject a politician, ভার্বটা হচ্ছে মডেল ভার্বের, a politician can know about the political situation of a country. An economist can know about the economical situation of a country. In this way, by reading newspaper, those people who are interested in game and sports can get different kinds of news about games and sports. Those who are interested in showbiz world, they can also know about the lifestyle of different kinds of actor and actress, and they can get the new releasing movie. In this way, the job seeker can get many advertisement from the advertisement page of newspaper. Students also get benefited by reading newspaper by giving exam of different kinds of model test that we see in the study page of newspaper. So I can say in this way, newspaper helps the people of different strata. What are the drawbacks of newspaper? Drawbacks মানে হচ্ছে বাধা, ব্যারিয়ার বা খারাপ দিকগুলো কি। So there are also some drawbacks of newspaper. First of all, I can say that often some fake news is spread fast. Often, প্রায় some fake news is spread মানে ছড়ায় দ্রুত, as well as some newspaper publish news by taking support ruling party or political party. So it creates confusion in the mind of general people. How does misunderstanding take place through newspaper? As I mentioned that some newspaper publish news by taking support of ruling party, and when they publish false news, it take place misunderstanding among the people. So though newspaper has some drawbacks, it has so many advantages. We should read newspaper every single day for getting more and more information and knowledge about home and abroad, as well as we should read newspaper for keep ourselves up to date with modern world. That's all about my presentation. Thanks for patience hearing. এই যে কথাগুলো আমি বললাম, আমি কি এখানে দেখে বলছি কিছু, উত্তর দেখে বলছি? এখানে যেটা লেখা আছে একদম হুবহু বলতে পারছি? পারিনি। আমার মনে যেভাবে আসছে এই কোশ্চেন গুলো দেখে আমার মতো করে আমি বলছি। তো আমি যে কথাগুলো বললাম, আমার কথাগুলো কি আপনারা বুঝতে পারছেন? অর্থটা বুঝতে পারছেন? আমি যে প্রেজেন্টেশনটা দিলাম, আমি যে কথাগুলো, আমি যে স্পিচটা দিলাম, বোঝেন এটা? হ্যাঁ, কথা বললে বোঝেন? তা আপনারা কথা বলতে পারবেন না কেন? যারা কথা বলেন না কেন, কথা বলতে পারেন না কেন, পারবেন না কেন, বলবেন না? আবারও বলছি, প্রথম কোশ্চেন কি, হোয়াট ডু ইউ নো বাই নিউজ পেপার? নিউজ পেপার কি সেটা আপনাকে বলতে হবে। নিউজ পেপার ইজ আ মিডিয়াম where people can get many news of home and abroad. সেভাবে কারা কারা নিউজ পেপার পড়ে, এর খারাপ দিকগুলো কি, এর ব্যারিয়ার গুলো কি, এটা কিভাবে মানুষের মধ্যে মিসআন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং ক্রিয়েট করে, ওভারঅল নিউজ পেপার ভালো না খারাপ, এটা নিয়ে আপনারা একটা প্রেজেন্টেশন তৈরি করবেন নেক্সট ক্লাসে। সো দ্যাটস অল ফর টুডে। এবং